to episode 3 of Road to 100k on Rob's Finance. This episode, we're just a 2025 recap, how the portfolio performed, what are my plans for 2026, what dividends come in, etc. Overall portfolio, I have actually invested just under 26,000, which leaves us with a profit just under 11,000 so far. Dividend yield is currently only 0.62%. Not worried about getting that too high at the minute. We compare ourselves to the S&P 500 for the past year. I think we have actually outperformed the S&P 500, if it will load. Past month, guys, outperformed it by just under 3%. 3 months, 6.5%. 6 months, 16.9%. Over the past year, outperformed the S&P by 24%. Now, this is not going to happen every year. You can't expect that, but still very happy with the results. Dividends wise, we are projected to make £228 for the year. Get that above £250 to £300 this year. I'd be happy with that. Again, not concerned about dividend yield at this point. Let's see how the actual my holdings have been performing. With my holdings, I like to think of these as compounding machines. These are companies that I have high conviction in and are happy to hold for the long term. I'm not buying stocks, seeing a little increase in them and thinking, oh yeah, I want to sell them because they might dip. I might buy them at lower prices. Everyone always says time in the market is better than time in the market unless you're some type of stock genius. Company like ASML, for example, just been on a crazy run, and obviously I've been tempted, should I sell here because it's been doing so well? But no, if anything, if it drops, I'm happy to add more shares. I'm not really thinking of adding shares at this price, I'll be honest. But yeah, I'm just happy to hold. I think it's a compounding machine. I don't think it's going anywhere. I'm happy to just keep it for the long term. Reinvest those dividends. It's a very high dividend growth company, so yeah, I'm keeping that for the long run. Google's been a great performer for me as well. Microsoft, keeping that for a very long time. Yeah, I'm just keeping all of them for a long time. I'm just going to keep dollar cost averaging into the portfolio and see how long it will take us to get to that 100k. We have not been able to invest as much as I'd like to recently. Life does get in the way of Christmas and other things coming up, but just stay consistent, stay invested, and it will pay off in the long run. Like I say, I used to have a lot of high yielding dividend stocks, but I've changed my approach into higher quality companies like the ones on screen at the minute, and that is my plan going forward. But let me know in the comments what stocks are you invested in 2026. What do you think of my portfolio? What would you change? Is it too risky? I'm happy with the holdings I have. If we have any big dips like we did last April, then I will just happily keep buying. If it keeps going up, I'll keep buying, just staying consistent. Any questions, ask me in the comments, and I hope you all have a great year investing in 2026. I will see you guys next time.